Alright, hello! So today we're excited to show you what we're sowing for January and the amazing products we're using for propagation. First, let's talk about the Rooted Value Propagation Kit. This kit has made the propagation process a lot easier and a lot less stressful. In the video, we start off by prepping our propagation media. We pre-soaked our sponges in lukewarm water and added the first feed sachet that comes with the kit. After letting the sponges soak for a couple minutes, we squeeze out the excess water. It's important to keep the sponges moist and damp. Next, we add our seeds. We're sowing habanero chili, Swiss chard rhubarb, broccoli, and tomatoes. Once the seeds are added, we tear a piece of the sponge to cover each seed. Then we place the propagation lid and close the vents to allow for maximum humidity. To provide the optimal environment, we place our propagator in the propagation tent with a heated mat. And that's it! By following the instructions from the kit, we ensure our seeds will have a great start. Stay tuned for more updates on our Get Back to Growing series. We'll show you how these plants grow and share some exciting gardening tips. See you next time!